Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2022 Ford E-450, wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? This guide covers the fuse box location and includes a simple diagram to help you quickly identify fuses for different systems in your E-450. Engine compartment fuse box. Engine compartment fuse box controls key electrical systems, including the ignition, fuel pump, cooling system, and external lights. It also manages the HVAC, ABS, traction control, and powertrain control module, PCM. Each fuse and relay in the box is responsible for protecting these critical functions, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Passenger compartment fuse box. Passenger compartment fuse box controls various electrical components inside the vehicle, including interior lighting, power windows, and the infotainment system. It also manages the operation of essential safety systems like airbags and the vehicle's electronic modules. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.